Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are starting a new series of videos related to advanced product quality planning, APQP and production part approval process, popularly known as PPAP. So in aerospace industry, advanced product quality planning and production part approval process is governed by the AS 9145. So this is basically SAE standard that specifies the requirement for the requirement for the APQP and PPAP. That is, we can see the each elements are integrated with the product development process, and it is a 5-step process. Each process phase has a deliverables, and each deliverables itself is a competency itself. So basically APQP and PPAP integrate with the product development processes, and at each phase of the APQP and product development there are set of deliverables to move forward to ensure that the customer needs are addressed at the beginning of the project, and then the safety and security and performance excellence are assured. The early you invest in the product development, the less you will incur the cost at the production and post-production corrections. So APQP has basically proved in the automotive industry that it has significantly brought in the safety and security, and then the quality conscious at the beginning of the program, rather than doing the post-mortem and corrective actions, calling the vehicle and fixing the issues. So that way investing early and reducing the cost of poor quality, that has been exemplary and seen the benefit in many years from adopting the APQP and PPAP. Nowadays there are many customers, they are asking for PPAP and APQP as a part of the program during the bidding itself. As a part of contract, you need to comply with the APQP and PPAP, and the projects will undergo the audits as per the requirements. So we will look at each phases, and we will understand each phase and then the deliverables. Advanced product quality process is based on the principles of quality planning as pioneered by Deming from 1950s. Later on, GM, Ford and Chrysler collaboratively wrote and published the first APQP manual for the automotive industry in June 1994. So this brought in lot of changes, and then it brought the industry-wide common practice across the automotive industry. Similarly, AS 91445 establishes the requirements for the aerospace industry. So APQP has a 5-phase process. First phase is a planning, second phase is a product design and development, third phase is design and development, fourth phase is product and process validation, fifth phase is ongoing production use and post delivery services. These all phases are aligned to product development process. So let us see each phase what is the deliverables. So in the phase 1 it is called as a planning phase, where collect the project inputs and set the project frame, product and process requirement, key actors, key tasks and timing and plan. During the second phase, the product design and development, design the product considering all the identified requirement and risks. And third phase is process design and development, design the manufacturing and assembly processes considering the all identified requirements and the risks. And the next phase is the fourth phase, where the production part process validation, validate that the process is producing the specified product at the required rate. That will be the objective during the product and process validation. And the fifth phase is a longer phase, reduce the variations, manage any non-conformity, continuous improvement and feed the lesson learned back into the new product development project and APQP. So this APQP process, the beauty is it covers from the inception of the product till it is goes absolute from the service. That means the APQP and PPAP covers the product development process and embeds the quality into the process from cradle to grave. So from the inception of the concept till the obsolescence of the product from the service or the market. Hello friends, hope you enjoyed the today's session. I would like to request you all to subscribe, share, like, and then if you have any comments, please leave your comments. So keep watching my channel, enjoy the new learnings, and wish you all the best for your career. So, till then, take care, stay tuned, see you with the next video. Bye bye.